Okay, this little piece is what I used to bend all the LEDs for my cube. I said, made it on my 3D printer. Okay, so then this piece is I put the individual LEDs in there, and then if I can see things through the camera, then I used that to pop them out, so they all come out as one piece, which saved getting them bent and stuff. So, and then once I got each individual line done, then I printed out a thing and then screwed it to a board, and I can lay each row of a column into that. And then I had little tiny holes for where all the wires went. And there's lots of videos on YouTube that shows how to take a standard piece of cable, this stuff, put it in a vise, which is over here, and then put it on a drill and stretch them out. So that's my 3D printer. It's working on a rotor wheel for a motor that I'm building. But so I put them all into that, and then that made the columns. I made a little test rig thing out of my printer and several tries, and then I have a whole my other 7 columns all together. So I'm trying to make a little system using Arduino computer parts and stuff, and like I said, my massive mess here of all components to put my columns together and this, that, and the other. I found a system, been looking for PC board designer things, found a circuit maker, which is pretty cool, cloud-based. And then I also found this morning Easy EDA, which is another printer or circuit board designer. Print out the schematic and the circuit board, and then you can actually send in the files like you can with Easy or with Circuit Maker and have them build them. But I've been building myself a CNC machine out of my printer. A hell of a project. It's taken me a year to get this far. It's kind of cool, off and on, this, that, and the other. Actually, my upgraded motor systems that I've been making, and then I decided to make a bigger coil. But it's kind of a little short to show some of the parts that I've used to build my columns and then put my cube together. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.